Agarwood, also known as oud, is a valuable and rare substance that has been used for centuries in many cultures for its valuable uses. In addition to making incense burning products or essential oil, agarwood also can be used to make jewelry, also known as agarwood beads. The process of making agarwood beads is a time-consuming and intricate one. Agarwood beads are made from the resinous hardwood of the Aquilaria tree, which is found in countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. The tree is infected with a fungus that can cause the wood to become resinous and fragrant. The wood is then harvested and processed into beads. The process of making agarwood beads involves cutting the wood into small pieces and then boiling them in water for several hours. This process helps to remove any impurities and soften the wood. The wood is then left to dry for several days. Once the wood is dry, it is then carved into the desired shape and size according to the design of the product, such as agarwood bracelets, agarwood necklace, or 108 mala beads, with various designs from round beads, bamboo beads, rectangular beads, etc. The beads are then sanded and polished to give them a smooth finish. The fragrance of the agarwood is also enhanced during this process. Finally, agarwood beads will be strung together to create bracelets or necklaces. The scent of agarwood is said to be enhanced by the heat of the body, making it a popular choice for fragrant jewelry. Wearing agarwood jewelry is believed to have spiritual properties, promoting calm and inner peace. In fact, some people believe that wearing agarwood jewelry can help to purify the mind and body and promote spiritual growth. This is why agarwood has a long history of use in spiritual and religious practices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has provided you some interesting things about the process of making agarwood beads. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website www.napuoud.com or our WhatsApp phone number below. Goodbye and see you in the next video.